Namaste everyone, welcome to SSC Media Science, Sports and Cinema. This is Geeta Area signing in. He is going to introduce the phone he has hunted down for the special features he wanted to test. Just like high refresh rate, UFS 3.1 memory and some other few exclusive features. Let's unbox the phone. So finally this is the phone we have hunted down, as I have not used any Snapdragon flagship processor phones in my long interaction with the smartphones. Most of them my flagship phones are Samsung and they came in Exynos variant, and the Snapdragon variants of phones which I have used are generally mid-range, and of course sometimes I have tested a few phones for a few days but not as my own phone. Welcome to SSC Media Science, Sports and Cinema. This is Mi10T Pro, as you have already seen here. The specialty of this phone is 108 megapixel camera, ultra clear camera. They are advertising it as like this, and 5G 44 Hz adaptive sync display. That means it can go right from 24 Hz to 144 degree 144 Hz of screen refresh rates, and it comes with the Snapdragon 865 processor. So the package is looking very good. This is very bigger package compared to the other ones which we have seen till now in general. So designed by Xiaomi. Here we think this may have semi-ejector tool and literature. Let's keep this aside for some time. And this is the TPU case. Let's also keep this aside for some time. And this is an adapter for 3.5 mm headphone jack to USB-C adapter, because this phone has no headphone jack. So this is our hero, the champion, the phone which we have been waiting for. So this is a bigger bulge here on the back side. Let's open this one up. This is cosmic gray color variant. This looks quite beautiful with a mirror finish and seems very hefty, and of course made of high quality materials. Now maybe Gorilla Glass 5 on front and back, and a punch hole camera here. Power button here, and volume rocker here.
Stop just now. Or inshallah.
So the features of the phone, major highlights are printed here. 108 MP A rear camera with OIS, 8K video recording. I think, in my frank opinion, MI or Xiaomi has nailed this 108 megapixel camera better than Samsung with its Galaxy S20 Ultra, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 high performance flagship, of course, with 5G connectivity, HDR10, 144 Hz adaptive sync display with 6.67 inch full HD dot display. Dot display means that means the punch hole camera with a true color, and 5000 mAh battery, and 33 watt fast charger in the box. Let's see how the box unrolls still. Now let's bring this out. This is a bigger charger compared to this one, compared to the chargers which we have seen with the phone that we are using. And let's also compare this with the Initio 65 watt charger when we are reviewing the phone. Okay, this is rated at 33 watt fast charger, and the USB Type C is given. They say that this is a PD type, that means power delivery type of charger. So keep these aside for some time. So this is our device, and let's go with the device overview for a few seconds. So here is the punch hole camera. There is the TV remote out. That means the AR blaster, and here is the microphone, and this is the speaker, and here is another speaker which acts as the second speaker for stereo effect, and here is the USB Type C port, and this one is the SIM ejector tray. Here is the top button, that means the power button, which also acts as a fingerprint scanner, because the screen is IPS LCD type variant. Here is the 108 megapixel camera, and this is a triple camera with this one is blocked out, and this is the flash. So designed by Xiaomi. The phone looks very gorgeous, and there is nothing on this side except for the antennas. Let's check the capacitive fingerprint scanner of this phone, which is in the power button. Bang, it opens very quick. Just press and hold. Just press and hold. It is in a good recess, so it is easily accessible. And now let's check with the left hand side. So I have given the middle finger to it. Ha ha ha. It unlocks very quick. So this is how it looks in the TPU case. It is very easy to grip, and it is said to be having ultraviolet scanning for bacteria and virus. So that's what they say. But the case is looking good and easy to hold and soft to touch.